Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Qatar. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, we offer accurate and high-resolution 3D scanning solutions for a wide range of industries. Our services cater to the needs of architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and many other sectors. Our 3D scanning services are designed to capture intricate details and dimensions of objects with precision. By using advanced laser scanning technology, we create digital replicas of physical objects, allowing for seamless integration into design and manufacturing processes. Whether it's a small component or a large-scale structure, our team has the expertise to capture every detail with utmost accuracy. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we understand the importance of delivering results that meet the highest quality standards. Our team of experts follows a meticulous process to ensure that the scan data is reliable and error-free. We utilize cutting-edge software to process the scan data and generate 3D models that can be easily integrated into various design software. One of the key advantages of our 3D scanning services is the ability to save time and cost in the design and production process. By capturing accurate measurements of objects, we eliminate the need for manual measurements and reduce the risk of errors. This streamlined approach not only speeds up the design process, but also helps in minimizing material wastage during manufacturing. Moreover, our 3D scanning services offer a range of applications beyond design and manufacturing. The scan data can be utilized for quality inspection, reverse engineering, virtual reality simulations, and much more. This versatility makes our services invaluable for businesses looking to enhance their productivity and innovation capabilities. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Qatar. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they offer high-quality and accurate 3D scanning solutions to a wide range of industries. Whether it is for architectural purposes, product development, or reverse engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the capabilities to meet the diverse needs of their clients. One of the key benefits of 3D scanning services provided by Scon Design India Private Ltd is the ability to capture highly detailed and precise measurements of objects or spaces. This allows for greater accuracy in designing and manufacturing processes, reducing errors and improving overall efficiency. With their advanced scanning equipment and software, Scon Design India Private Ltd can create accurate 3D models that can be used for various applications. Another advantage of Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services is the ability to save time and cost in the design and development process. Traditional methods of measurement and prototyping can be time-consuming and expensive. However,